For 2025, the Ibex 800E comes with several exciting new features. The most notable are the 6 selectable ride modes: Sport, Rain, Off-Road, Off-Road Plus, All-Terrain, and All-Terrain Plus. Additionally, the bike now features an 8-inch TFT screen that allows riders to control various functions, including the ride modes and music playback via Bluetooth. The bike is also equipped with advanced blind spot monitoring technology, adding an extra layer of safety by alerting you to vehicles in your blind spots. This bike is the result of CFMoto's collaboration with KTM, making it a reinterpretation of the KTM 790, similar to the Husqvarna 901. While it uses the same 799 cubic centimeters parallel twin LC8C engine, the Ibex 800E has a different tuning, producing 94 horsepower and 56.8 pound-feet of torque. The other specifications remain consistent with the previous model, such as the suspension from KYB, brakes from J1, and cornering-sensitive ABS and traction control systems from Bosch. The bike also comes with cruise control, heated grips and seat, up-down quickshifter, adjustable windshield, all-around LED lighting, and tubeless tires. The CFMoto 800 Ibex also includes a 2-year factory warranty, with a starting price of $10,299, not including freight, setup charges, and taxes. With all these new features, do you think this bike can compete with the bigger names out there? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.